All right, my third grade mathematicians, which tetronymus fit in the perfect cover-up? I've been working on my tetronymus, and I have found a few that have fit. So think about which tetronymus you were able to get to completely cover the 8 by 10 rectangle. I was able to, after many tries, to get the L-shaped tetronymo to fit. What about you? Were you able to get the L tetronymo to fit? I was also able to get the square tetronymo to fit. I took a picture of it so I could show it to you. I also was able to get the straight tetronymo to fit. Okay, so what other shapes were you able to fit, or were you? So why do you think the L-shaped tetronymo and the square-shaped tetronymo and the straight line tetronymo were able to fit? Well, there were no extra square units or square inches sticking out, even though you do in the this tetronymo, the L-shaped tetronymo, you're able to make a rectangle shape when you put two together. And I had a hard time. That's why you may see a few little gaps and overlaps on mine, just because I could not get it to cooperate. Okay, so with these tetronymos, with the L-shaped, you're able to put them together to make a rectangle, and it's not wanting to do that right now. But if I were to put the other L-shaped here, I would be able to make a rectangle, and that's easier to fill. The Z and the T, were you able to get those to fit perfectly on the cover-up? I wasn't either. Why do you think that is? Yeah, they have these extra square units, and we weren't able, at least I wasn't able to fit them into the rectangle area. So I was always having spaces, like if I were to begin to put the Z tetronymo, I was always leaving out square units, and then when I got to a certain point, it would be sticking out, and no matter which way I turned it, I wasn't able to perfectly cover up the rectangle. Okay. Well, I hope you had fun with these tetronymos. It's always one of my favorite lessons, and we're going to continue to talk about area and square units and the difference between perimeter and area. Okay. All right, guys, I can't wait to continue this journey with you, and I will see you in our next lesson video.